If you're trying to fix a website that isn't loading properly in Opera GX, or a page keeps asking you to turn JavaScript on, this video is going to help. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to enable JavaScript in Opera GX step by step, so your websites can work the way they're supposed to. This is a super quick setting to change, and it can solve a lot of common browsing problems, from broken menus to pages that won't respond correctly. If this tutorial helps you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Opera GX on your computer. In the top left corner of the browser, click the Opera logo. This opens the main menu where you can access all the important browser settings. From here, click Settings. If you want a faster way, you can also press Alt and P on your keyboard, and that will take you straight into the settings page. Once the Settings tab opens, look at the left sidebar and click Privacy and Security. This section controls a lot of your browser permissions, security options, and website access settings. Now, scroll down on the right side of the page until you find Site Settings. Click on Site Settings to open the list of permissions and content controls for websites. Inside Site Settings, keep scrolling until you reach the Content section. Under that section, click JavaScript. This is the page where you can control whether websites are allowed to run JavaScript in Opera GX. On the JavaScript settings page, you'll see a few options. To turn it on, select the radio button next to Sites can use JavaScript. Once you choose that option, JavaScript is enabled for websites in your browser. That means pages should now load interactive features properly, and any sites that were broken before should start working again. If you were troubleshooting a website, this is one of the first settings worth checking because JavaScript is required for a lot of modern web pages. After enabling it, you can simply go back to the website you were trying to use and refresh the page. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the problem. And that's it. You've now enabled JavaScript in Opera GX. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to find the setting, and now your browser is ready for a better browsing experience. If this video helped, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Opera GX tutorials, browser tips, and simple fixes.